Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Instagram call not working. Sometimes, Instagram calls may not work properly. This can happen due to app glitches, notification settings and permissions. By following these steps, you can fix the problem and make sure calls work smoothly again. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Now, search for Instagram and tap on it. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can cause calls and other features to stop working properly, so always keep it updated. After updating, go back to your home screen and press and hold the Instagram application. Tap on the info icon that appears. Here, tap on notifications and make sure notifications are enabled. Instagram calls rely on notifications to alert you when someone is calling, so if notifications are off, calls may not ring. Then, go back and tap on permissions. Check that all necessary permissions are allowed. Make sure Instagram has access to your microphone, camera, and contacts. Without these permissions, you won't be able to make or receive calls properly. Now, go back and open the Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on data usage and media quality. Here, make sure your data usage settings are not limiting calls. For example, if data saver is on, it may reduce the quality of your calls or even prevent them from connecting. You can adjust the settings to improve call performance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.